Hi, and we're back again because we have no light tonight. I just want, we wanted to give a shout out to our first subscriber, which is my boyfriend, Eric Hernandez.
Why did you put his full government name?
Somebody gonna rape him. That's what I wanted.
We wanted to give a shout out to him because he's like our #1 fan right now. We're we sound like sad people, man. Our freaking friends are subscribing to us. I mean, well, it started from the bottom, then we gonna be there. Okay, I just
okay, but I just want to give a shout out to Bae because.
Oh God, can you not do like a love story speech?
Damn, bitch, can I at least give a fucking shout out? I'm sorry.
English.
I'm sorry, bitch.
I found a straw. I found a straw, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I just want to give a shout out to him. Thanks for being our #1 fan already. And I know we're gonna have a lot more #1s. But you were there.
Thank you so much.
We love you!
We love you, Eric! Oh, I'm not blowing your kiss.